This massive crate holds thousands of end-of-life laptops, all headed for the recycling center.
The macro lens reveals the history etched into each case. These thermal labels and serial numbers are essential for inventory and quality control.
These mountains represent the staggering cost of our digital lives, an endless stream of discarded technology.
In this phase of manufacturing, every serial number is meticulously etched, ensuring traceability from the factory floor to the end user.
Detaching the LCD requires precision. After loosening the hinge screws, the bezel is carefully pried away. This close-up view shows the critical failure of the battery pack. The swollen cells are highly volatile and must be handled with care.
The disassembly is complete, with all major components now neatly organized for the next phase. In modern electronics manufacturing, the precise sorting of components like these resistors and capacitors is critical for quality control.
We're looking closely at the RAM chips here, ensuring the processors meet the specifications before moving to the controller.
In this ultra-realistic manufacturing environment, the robotic arm precisely places electronic components into the trays. Here in the separation facility, the aluminum chassis are precisely sorted by the automated system, ensuring every component is recycled efficiently. Submerged in the cleaning solution, the ultrasonic waves activate, generating cavitation bubbles that meticulously scrub the surface of the boards.
As the copper connectors are lowered, the specialized solution immediately begins removing the oxidation layer.
The components, once cleaned, are immediately placed into these transparent pink anti-static bags, ensuring protection from static discharge.
Precision is paramount when creating the mounting holes for medical device integration. This drill operates at speeds exceeding 30,000 RPM. The robotic arm applies a flawless, medical-grade protective layer, the fine mist settling evenly across the surface.
The battery management system is integrated into the power supply using these specialized medical-grade harnesses.
Ultrasonic welding provides a sterile, hermetic seal for the medical device housing, ensuring containment.
As the pressure rapidly increases, the device is submerged, ensuring no leaks under extreme conditions.
As the coolant flows, we can observe the heat distribution, highlighting critical hotspots in red and orange.
Detailed inspection confirms the integrity of the solder, critical for performance.
Here we are performing the critical isolation and grounding tests on these repurposed components to ensure full compliance.
By repurposing the core components of the discarded device, we were able to engineer a state-of-the-art medical monitor.
Regions. Here at the packaging station, completed medical units are carefully placed into sterile Tyvek pouches, along with essential.
Are the vitals stabilizing on the new setting?
Yes, doctor.
They are well within the target range now.